Software maintenance in software engineering. Software maintenance is a crucial phase in the software engineering lifecycle that involves the modification, enhancement, and support of an existing software system after its initial development and deployment. It focuses on managing and improving the software to meet evolving user needs, fix defects, enhance performance, ensure compatibility with new platforms or technologies, and address other issues that arise during the software's operational lifetime. Software maintenance activities can be categorized into the following types. 1. Corrective maintenance. This type of maintenance involves addressing and fixing defects or issues reported by users or identified through testing. It includes bug fixing, error corrections, and troubleshooting to restore the software to its intended functionality. 2. Adaptive maintenance. Adaptive maintenance involves modifying the software to accommodate changes in the operating environment, such as changes in hardware, operating systems, databases, or regulatory requirements. It ensures that the software remains compatible and functional in evolving technological and business contexts. The software maintenance process typically involves the following activities. 1. Problem identification. Identifying and prioritizing maintenance requests, reported defects, or areas for improvement. 2. Impact analysis. Assessing the potential impact of the proposed changes or enhancements on the existing system, including technical, cost, and time considerations. 3. Planning. Developing a maintenance plan that outlines the scope, resources, timeline, and priorities for addressing the identified issues or changes. 4. Implementation. Making the necessary modifications to the software, which may involve coding, testing, and integrating the changes into the existing system. 5. Testing and validation. Conducting testing activities to verify the correctness, functionality, and performance of the modified software. This may include regression testing, integration testing, and user acceptance testing. 6. Deployment. Deploying the updated software into the production environment, ensuring a smooth transition and minimal disruption to users. 7. Documentation. Updating relevant documentation, including user manuals, system documentation, and release notes, to reflect the changes made during maintenance. 8. Support and monitoring. Providing ongoing support and monitoring of the software to address any new issues or user feedback that may arise.